Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone camera crashing. This is a common issue for iPhone 16 users, but these solutions can also help if you encounter the problem on older iPhones. There are three possible fixes. First, try simply closing the camera app, swipe it away from the tab panel as well, then reopen it and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still persists, here's the next step. Tap on the settings icon on your iPhone, scroll down slightly and find General. Tap on it, then scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This will only reset your iPhone settings and won't affect your photos, files, or contacts. However, before doing this, I recommend trying a less time-consuming method. Just restart your phone. This simple fix often works and could save you from resetting your settings. To restart your iPhone, press volume up, then volume down, and finally hold the power button, all in this specific order. Once you see slide to power off, slide it. Your iPhone will shut down. After that, press and hold the power button for a few seconds to turn it back on. Hopefully, after doing this, your camera crash will be resolved. If you found this useful, please consider liking this video.